The National Assembly is on the news again, this time for controversy surrounding the Electoral Act Amendment 2021.
When the youth take over street, all oppressors, them go run away. When the youth take over.
Some members of the public as well as some key political stakeholders believe that until some of the challenges concerning electoral violence, bloodshed, ballot box snatching and so on that has been characterized in Nigerian elections are addressed, an amendment is incomplete. Meanwhile, a bill for an act to ensure that Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) adopts electronic voting method for future elections was introduced, and the bill scaled through a second reading without hitches. But just recently, there were speculations on social media suggesting that part of the bill has been altered. The bill, which was sponsored by the Deputy President of the Senate, Ovie Omo-Agege, and co-sponsored by Senator Abubakar Kyari, titled a bill for an act to amend the Electoral Act No. 6, 2010, and for other related matters 2019, ASB 122, seeks the amendment of Section 65 of the Electoral Act 2010 by introducing a National Electronic Register of election results. Just recently, a group staged a protest at the National Assembly gate to express their grievances over their rumored alteration in some part of the bill. They also urged the government to let the will of the people prevail. Speaking during the protest, one of the conveners, Mr. Aristotle Ario, stated that the National Assembly seems to be working against the president who promised Nigerians a free and fair electoral system. He therefore urged President Muhammadu Buhari to ensure that no part of the bill is altered.
It's only when we make elections to be free, fair and credible that we'll be able to protect the life of our core members, we'll be able to protect the life of our people. Election is not war. We must never make it a war. Yes, sir. Election is a franchise that must be exercised by the people. And the people have the right to choose whoever they want. There was PDP, there is APC. Yes, sir. There could be another party tomorrow. What we want to see is for democracy to work. So let the best always do. Because either PDP, APC, whoever is there, they're all Nigerians. Yes. And some of them are brothers and sisters. They meet in the night, in the morning, and all of that. Yeah. So why do these people want to make things difficult for us?
Other people present joined their voices and pleaded with the government to also reduce cost of election as well as party tickets in order to give room for youth's participation in Nigerian elections.
I want to add just simply that under the previous government, card reader was used, it was electronically done, yes. So there must be backing for electronic voting in the country. Results were communicated electronically under the previous government. The former president, President Goodluck Jonathan, even could not vote initially at Otueke, but subsequently voted. So I don't see what is the issue here. If progress were made under Professor Taiwo Jega, I don't see why we cannot develop on those progress. So INEC is doing a fantastic thing now by ensuring electronic registration of voters. So why will the National Assembly now take INEC back? So we'll lose the gains that have been proposed by INEC. INEC is ready. INEC is ready. INEC did it in Edo. INEC did it in Ondo. Yes, sir. And even Nasarawa by election. So if INEC is ready, why don't we support INEC? Is it not the same government? Yes, sir. If they are supported, yes. Wouldn't the President Muhammadu Buhari government, wouldn't they take credit for the gains that we have witnessed? Jonathan is still taking gains. Jonathan is going up and down Africa, lecturing on democracy. He's still taking gains from the electoral advancement that his administration recorded. So it's a win-win situation for the president and the government. Yes, so I appeal and I appeal to the government of the day, yes, to give us electronic transmission of resource, to put the cap on election spending so that political parties don't just spend recklessly. Yes, don't go to corrupt people to source for money. Yes, so these are the reasons why we are here, and I believe the other comrades will still speak to the issue.